Have you ever noticed how an 8-year-old can solve logical problems much better than a 5-year-old? According to Jean Piaget, this is because children between 7 and 11 years enter the concrete operational stage of cognitive development. In this stage, children begin to think logically, but only about concrete, real-life situations. They still struggle with abstract or hypothetical thinking. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you show a child 2 balls of clay that are exactly the same size. The child agrees they are equal. Then you roll one ball into a long, thin shape and ask, which one has more clay? A younger child might say the longer one has more. But a child in the concrete operational stage will say, they are the same. You just change the shape. This ability is called conservation, understanding that quantity remains the same despite changes in appearance. Another important ability is reversibility. The child understands that actions can be reversed mentally. For example, if 8 plus 4 equals 12, they know that 12 minus 4 equals 8. They can mentally go backward in thinking. Next is classification. Children can organize objects into categories. For example, if you show them 10 fruits, 6 apples and 4 mangoes, and ask, are there more apples or more fruits? They will correctly say more fruits because apples are part of the larger group. They also develop seriation, which means arranging objects in order. For example, arranging pencils from shortest to longest. However, their thinking is still limited to real, concrete objects. If you ask them abstract questions like, what would happen if humans could fly? They may struggle because abstract reasoning develops later in the formal operational stage. So, in simple words, during the concrete operational stage, children become logical thinkers. They understand conservation, reversibility, classification, and ordering, but only when dealing with real, visible things. And that's Piaget's concrete operational stage. Explained in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to Psychology in Minutes for more easy psychology lessons.